Welcome back. Okay, we've given you multiple ways to earn. And one of the things that you need to realize is you need multiple streams of income. And we've given you $159 that you can get over and over and over. So we want to give you another way that you can earn for free. Um, and this one here, you can make $25 promoting your own link. So this is the video here. It's not there yet, but it'll be there once we're done here. But you're going to click this seventh program. Another free money making program pays you $25 for each upgraded referral. Okay, so we're going to click here and it will take us to a new page. And this is Best Easy Work. Best Easy Work has been around for, I think, since 2015. So anyway, this is Martin Ruiz. He actually is the creator of this, and you can join for free. You can go through the videos here um, and watch the different videos. Now, this is how you can get paid as a free member. So once you join, you click here and you join and you register with the company. You'll get your own link, just like I have mine up here. And you're a free member. Okay, this is you. And you have access to log in. Now, the training in this is really amazing. So you get a lot of training here promoting this link, and not only this link, the other links that you have. Tremendous training, and it's all free. Now, you don't have to upgrade at all. You can be a free member for life, promoting your own link. And when someone does upgrade, let's say someone goes to level one, um, you're going to earn $25. If they go to level two, which is $188. Now, what they get for each level, like for example, level one, fast start selling or fast selling, and five more frequently asked questions. So they get these digital products all over here, the different levels. You can do that with the money that you earn from this program. Let's say you brought in four people with this program and they upgraded to level one or whatever level they upgraded. It doesn't matter. You got $25 for the four people. So now with that $100, you can upgrade to level one. Why would you upgrade to level one? Because if you did, now when someone does join, doesn't matter whether they sign up for level one or level 12, you're going to get $50 now every time instead of 25. Then what you'll do is four more people you got. That's $200. You can use the money that you earn from this program to buy your way up each level. And they get the digital products for each level that they purchase or you purchase. But you can be a free member for life. So just go ahead and click the join button here. And here's another way that you can earn for free. This is all about you making money that is costing you nothing. Okay, again, we've given you the four ways to earn $159 and then some. So, we talked about um, the healthy coffee that you can promote. People that buy the coffee, you get commission all the way down three levels. You get paid, give away free RX cards, and we just showed you here how to get paid $25 over and over again. Now, we're going to talk about or give you on the next video. It's a free daily action guide. We're going to give it to you for free. Okay. And again, I'll show you exactly how to use this guide in the next video. So we'll see you then. Bye now.